My first question to you is, how do you define a campaign by a political party during an election in a democratic country like India?
The election gets announced, the poll panels get tighten themselves and then get ahead. And majorly what we cover is that it should be fair, free, fair, and most important is ethical. That no other party should be indulged in bribing people or just getting the people's vote for in connection of money or anything.
Right. Okay, walk us through the norms set up by the Election Commission of India for the campaigns, especially.
When the date get announced for any poll, whether it's a Lok Sabha or it's a Vidhan Sabha or a Legislative Assembly seat for any state or union territory, then Election Commission starts reviewing, previewing, and making norms in the forefront of with the people. And how they do it? They do it by the machinery at the state level. So we have an office, for example, for take an example for the Bihar, we have a chief electoral officer of Bihar who, in the policies and the norms set by the ECI, make sure that all the policies are implemented at the ground level. That's a major idea. So, but what is the major landmark thing, as your question suggests, is done by the ECI? It's a model code of conduct. So once the date gets announced, the MCC comes into act, and the political party and the district administration takes into account how political party have been moving. There are various ways of the district machinery or the state machinery, which devise that the all political party have a equal playing field in election.
Okay, what is the design and language of campaigns, say in any general election?